Welcome to Module 4, Lesson 2. Today we will be learning how to decompose and recompose shapes to compare areas. We are learning this so that we can understand area and use it in real-life situations. We'll know that we're successful today when we can use square units to make arrays. Do you remember what a square unit is? A square unit is a unit of area. Examples would be 1 square inch, 1 square meter, 1 square mile, 1 square centimeter, and so on. Also remember that the squares cannot have gaps or overlaps. Look at the strip, the blue strip, and look at the ruler. How long is the strip? The strip is 12 inches long. We can use the ruler to find out how wide is the strip. The strip is 1 inch wide. I've marked off 12 equal units. That means that I've made a mark at each 1 inch mark. So on the ruler, I went to 1 inch and made a line, 2 inches and made a line, 3 inches and made a line, and so on until I've got 12 equal units of 1 inch each. What is the area of 1 unit? Remember that the strip is 1 inch wide and each square is 1 inch long. So we can say that 1 unit, that's 1 unit, is 1 inch by 1 inch or 1 square inch. There are 12 units in the whole strip. So what is the area of the whole strip? We would say that the area is 12 square units or 12 square inches because we know that we are measuring in inches. You can see by this line in the middle that I've cut the strip into 2 equal strips. And then I placed 1 strip on top of the other. So I started with a 12-inch strip, cut it into 2 strips, and then I stacked the 2 strips on top of one another. So there are 2 strips here. One is 1 inch by 6 inches. The other is 1 inch by 6 inches. They're equal strips. So do these 2 strips together have the same area as 1 long strip? Of course, because they both have 12 square inches. Look at the ruler. How long is the purple strip? In this case, it's 12 centimeters long because we're looking at the centimeter side of the ruler. How wide is the purple strip? It's 1 centimeter. I know this because I found the tick mark where the top of the strip is. It lines up with the 1 centimeter strip. Tick mark. So I know that it's 1 centimeter wide. Okay, as you can see, I've marked off 12 equal units. I used 1 centimeter as a unit, and I've got 12 equal centimeters. So what is the area of 1 unit? Remember, the strip is 1 centimeter wide, and 1 unit is 1 centimeter long. So each unit is 1 square centimeter. Each unit, this is a unit, is 1 square centimeter. So there are 12 units in the whole strip, and the area of the whole strip would be 12 square centimeters. So let's compare the blue strip to the purple strip. How are the figures alike? They both have 12 square units. How are the figures different? The units of measure are different. The blue strip is in inches. So we can say it has an area of 12 square inches. And the purple strip is in centimeters, so we can say it has an area of 12 square centimeters. So do the figures have the same area? No, they do not, because they do not take up the same amount of space. 12 square inches is not equal to 12 square centimeters. Now it's time for the read, draw, write question. We're going to read the question together and pick out the most important information. Then you will draw a picture to help you solve the problem and write your answer as a sentence. After we read the question, you can pause the video and then do your work. When you're finished, you can look in the description box below and find the correct answer to compare to your own. Jess draws a rectangle with an area of 10 square feet. Angel draws a rectangle with an area of 10 square inches. Do the two rectangles have the same area? Why or why not? So Jess's rectangle is 10 square feet. Angel's rectangle is 10 square inches. Okay, do your very best work, and I'll see you in the next lesson.